Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to search by image on AliExpress. So open AliExpress on your phone, and at home page at the top of your screen you should see this camera icon here in the searching box, so you want to tap it. Then you should allow access to your camera and also allow access to your photos as well. So press this allow album access button, then proceed to settings and enter photos section, and here you can select which exactly photos that you would like to display. So you can add only photos, then you can allow limited access, and you can allow full access. Let me pick full access. So I'm going back to AliExpress, and you should now select a photo from your gallery that you would like to image search. For example, let's pick this one, and AliExpress will show you similar items from your photo. And also you can adjust this frame just like that, so it shows you these elements from your photo. So that's it. That's how you can search by image on AliExpress. I hope this video helps you. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.